What up, ladies and gentlemen? Today on the Horseman channel, we have a treat. So I finally got my RXT clutch in, and I think we're gonna go to a shop and get it installed. But got the Shelby pulled out, got the 5.0 over here. We're gonna go hopefully get this thing put in today and have some fun. So without further ado, let's get going. It is necessary. All right, guys. Well, we are arrived at Mr. Javante's house with the slow boss. Got Aaron here. What's up? All right, let's go inside and see what Mr. J's got going on. Uh-oh.
He's pissing off your neighbors.
Hey, no jump, no jump.
What's going on, fellas?
Not much. What are you doing acting like you know how to work on a T-Max?
Strip this. That's what happened. All the torque.
All the torque?
You drive a Shelby, you probably don't know nothing about it, but...
Oh, snap.
That'll where I over-torque the wheels.
Hi, Drex.
Heck yeah.
Oh, ready to get your clutch put in?
Let's do it, man. Let's get the clutch put in. Well, guys, we've arrived, and I think we arrived to the correct location. Yeah. Nice 5.0. Whoo, nice Termy over here. I love competition orange Termies.
I'm glad you left my car.
He's got some goodies. He's gonna get the car up on this lift here and start working on the clutch. Look at Jay, already making himself at home.
I ain't got you, man. We gotta bust this out real quick.
That piece right there?
Yeah.
Here's some cam coming down the road. That's the train. Oh.
What do you think, Mr. Demo? You ready, bro?
Oh man, I'm ready to get this clutch put in here.
Yeah, buddy. God dang, guys. Look at this Shelby.
You ready to get this?
She bad.
Let's
Do it.
She bad.
First time for everything.
You ready, Mr. Javante?
I'm ready.
You ready, my brethren?
I'm ready.
All right, dude, let's do this.
My exhaust is nice and hot now.
Let's go.
Like, I think I still have one, but it is stuck. Is that line going in there? Oh no. Okay. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Okay, now go ahead. All right. There's the problem, child.
How are we looking at here?
It's probably all of us with the screwdriver.
I want to see up in here. Jeez. So bolt all the way around here. Pop those out. Clutch the drop. And then let's see how
All right. Crazy. Oh, there we go. Well, guys, it looks like
boom.
it's got the flywheel off.
Is it heavy? No, it ain't that bad. Probably a little over about 10 pounds.
Woo! Got some hot spots on
She
here.
is crispy.
Look at that, guys. This is not what you want. Hot spots. Whew. Resurface.
New frisbee.
Yeah.
Okay. Make progress today. Yeah, I was a little worried about it there for a while.
Well, like you said, Josh, we still got to put her back in.
No, we don't. We don't.
Man. The flywheel. I'm gonna put this bad boy in here, guys. The new McLeod. What? What up, ladies and gentlemen? Here we are again on part 3, I think, as far as day 3, trying to get this thing all back together. So as you can see, we had to take the exhaust out. We had to take pretty much everything. We had to tilt the motor to get the tranny out. However, tranny is on the floor. I've got the new slave cylinder right here. Taking this one out. Got the flywheel nice and resurfaced. She's looking pretty good now. So I'm excited about that. Yeah, so hopefully we get this thing all put together here soon. And obviously I'll keep you posted. All right, guys, she's going in. Look at the MGW. Hey everyone, wanted to end this video, kind of do my outro. To be honest, this is actually a couple of weeks after I have the clutch put in, but I wanted to go ahead and get the break-in miles on the car. I've actually put on about 500 to 600, actually no, I think it's closer to 700 miles now on the new clutch. Everything is going very well. I'm loving it. Yeah, it's awesome. As you can see right now, I've got the drag stars, or the dark stars put on with the Mickey Thompsons. I wonder what I put those on for. You guys will have to find out on the next videos. But yeah, the car's doing awesome. I love it. Everything went back into place. You know, once I got the break-in miles on the car, I didn't do any ripping on the car until the proper break-in was done on the clutch. Like I said, I'm loving it. It's really awesome. Trying to think of anything else I can let you know of. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure before I did the outro that everything was going good on the vehicle. So other than that, everything is going awesome. Please obviously like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. As always, tell me what's in your stables, because this bad boy is in this one. And until then, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.